Today's pranayam is Anand Balasana, in English, happy baby pose. Step 1. Lie flat on your back on the floor or a mat. Step 2. With your head flat on the mat, bend your knees toward your chest at a 90-degree angle. Face the soles of your feet up toward the ceiling. Step 3. Reaching forward, grab and hold the inside or outside of your feet. Spread your knees apart, shifting them toward your armpits. Step 4. Remain in this position for several breaths, inhaling and exhaling deeply.